Good morning, YouTube. Right, let's have a look at the price action of BTC. We did have the FOMC yesterday. I won't go into too much about that. Um, so we have a quick look at the price action from my last video. My last video I did say I'm expecting lower prices, and I still stick by that. But let's have a look at some local levels so we can take some trades. So we saw that we got rejected PDI, which is 94,460, which is also the 786 on a fib level, and we ran that level yesterday as well, so we still got some type of liquidity above here. Now these pushes that are being pushed up are being engineered to sell, so I am expecting lower prices. But looking at some of the local market structure, we can see that we did have good support at the weekly VWAP. We had support here, support here, support here, support here, support here, until we broke down yesterday after the FOMC. So we did have a what I say a controlled engineered move up, just like here, which was a jolts, and we had some retracement back into the VWAP, and obviously the push up from yesterday. Now the good thing is this is all tradable. Yeah, so this is all tradable, and we can see that last week that we did have good support at the monthly VWAP, which is now acting as resistance. So if you want to take advantage of trades like this one, this one, this one, this one, retracement back into this one, and shorts, there's a lot of money to be made just from like the 8th of Monday the 8th all the way up to current present, which is the 11th. So you can take advantage of all of these trades. And the good news is there's going to be a webinar, free webinar next week, where I'll be hosting a free webinar where there's nothing to purchase in the webinar. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but we'll actually explain to you how to take these trades, and that's going to be on altcoins and also on Bitcoin, and you can use those profits to buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price for your hodl bag. And we will cover some hedging techniques as well. So if you want to be part of that webinar, I will be making a video tomorrow. You need to watch that video tomorrow and register for the webinar. Now, looking at local structure, I am expecting a retracement, a small retracement. So we really want to get above this monthly VWAP. Let's just have a quick look at where the daily is. So the daily VWAP, we are just underneath the monthly VWAP, so we're actually stuck in this zone. So we could see a little retracement back up, and I would be looking for something on the alignment of something like this, really, back into at least this point of control or previous day low, or possibly the weekly VWAP. That's what I'm looking for. If we can get above the weekly VWAP, I'm going to be targeting slightly higher, maybe the previous day EQ. But there is a trade available here, and there's also another trade that's available here. There's a couple of trades that are available here. So if we do get rejection at this monthly VWAP, I'll be looking for a short play down here. So there's one, I would say, right here. There is this one available right now, which I'm currently in, but it's too late to enter this. So there is a short play here if we get rejection, plus also here as well. And obviously the obvious one is there's going to be this one as well. So you could have to use a tight stop loss, and you could get stopped out a few times before getting the right entry. So you want to keep stop loss very, very tight in there. So there is some potential short plays that are available, Now, if we don't get this trade that's I'm showing here, there is another level we can look at, which is going to be, let me just check the Sunday low. So the Sunday low is actually there, which is approximately here. So there is this trade here as well, which I will be looking for. And the way you want to play that trade is very simple. You want to use a tight stop loss because there's two levels. You have level 1 and level 2. And if we do lose 87,000, which is here, I could see a fast move back down to 80k. So there is a couple of day trade opportunities. Yeah, so we do have that trade there. We also have, I mean, I wouldn't want to come down that low, but if we do have that trade. But the only problem with this trade here is the stop is going to have to be very big, and I don't like that stop loss. So let's hope we stay in this range here, and maybe in New York we can get above here, above the daily revamp, and target those higher levels, because we do have single prints here as well, and we do have some liquidity that we can take before a move back down. From a swing play perspective, I'm not looking for any swings currently at the moment, because we do have this liquidity curve here that can be taken out. Now, the other thing which I want to talk about is this inflows. So we do have some, I mean, it's not the greatest level, but we do have some inflows on the ETFs. And whenever we do get some inflows, we always see higher prices. So we need to look at the inflows today. Do we get any inflows today? So there is, like I said, there is some levels that we can watch, which is that one there, and also, I mean, you also got the 87 one, but the 87 one has to be managed with a tighter risk. I mean, and then, you know, if we do come down here, we may get, there's a possibility we may reject here. So I mean, that's not a good risk to reward trade, to be honest. So I'm hoping that we hold this level. I really hope we hold this level. Yeah, that's your Sunday low. So I hope we hold this level, because I can go in very, very with a tight stop loss, and I've got a few targets up here. You know, if we do break above 93,000, then I believe we're going to come higher, a lot higher. So it's very easy to understand this TA. So that's all I have for you guys on the TA side of things. Now, I want to thank the sponsors of this channel. So we've got 3 good exchanges. Depending on your region, all 3 exchanges are offering deposit bonus and trading bonuses as well. So the first exchange is BYDFI. They're very, very good. They've got good liquidity, very good UI on the app, proof of reserves as well. So that's quite important as well. Now, BYDFI are the main sponsor of my channel, and also sponsoring the Telegram group exclusively. So if you do deposit $500, there's a link in the description of this video. You do get access to my trade setups, educational setups, also private streaming as well, which is going to be being moved to Twitch and Discord in January. Okay, so if you do deposit $500, you get deposit bonus as well, $1,000 deposit bonus, which you can use to offset any losses or stop losses. The second exchange is LBANK, and LBANK is offering a 220% deposit bonus and super trading rewards and a welcome bonus. So that's quite a good offer. You can actually open an account there, and it's both exchanges are non-KYC, and you can use the extra funds for trading and opening bigger positions. And the third exchange is KUCOIN, and KUCOIN is a very old exchange, and this exchange is offering a limited newcomer bonus up to $11,000. There's 29 days remaining on this. Now with KUCOIN we have partnered with, and there is going to be a video coming out tomorrow that you must watch on KUCOIN, because there's a special offer that we are doing, an educational offer, which will entitle you to get into a webinar that could change the way you trade, and it's to do with AI. So this is a free webinar to do with AI and trading and how to take advantage of these trading moves and just win majority of the trades. I mean, I'm not going to publicly say what my win rate is, but with AI, that win rate goes to a different level. So KUCOIN have proudly sponsored this product that we're going to be giving out to certain KUCOIN traders and sign-ups. So that video is coming out tomorrow. It's important you watch that video because it's going to shock you. Okay, so with KUCOIN you have to be KYC registered, and there is a European site as well for the European traders as well. So watch out for that video tomorrow. And also, if you're not following me on X, you need to follow me, because I'm about to really build this X profile. I'm about to do streaming on here, which starts in January, and also there'll be educational videos, and also I'm integrating an AI concept that's going to be available to see publicly in January 2026. So I'm just building everything and getting everything right now, and you want to be following me on here. So those are 3 exchanges. Take advantage of that. And coming back to the, like I said, BTC, I will be looking for those long positions above or below, and I do use order flow and other tools to really enter these trades. But at the moment it does look like we're consolidating, and like I said, I would want to get immediately above monthly VWAP, and once we get above there, then we can tackle previous day low and weekly VWAP as well. Okay, and like I said to you, that you can make a lot of money in BTC trading. And BTC offers a trade every day, and no YouTuber talks about this because they don't have experience. It's very simple. They think they do, but they don't. Otherwise they would be publicly showing their trades like I do. Okay, so we want to take advantage of that Telegram group. You need a BYBIT account, that's non-KYC, minimum deposit, links in the description below. Look out for that KUCOIN video coming tomorrow. That can really change the way you will trade, and they're partnered with us to introduce a AI side of the trading, which can really benefit you in entries and exits and risk management. That's all I have for you guys here. Take care. Bye.